Hello everyone, learn how to tie the simple head wrap with your 4 layers of ashoke. Okay, so let me show you how I achieved this. I started by folding in some inches, then I'll place it on my head. Once I place it on my head, the measurement I'll be going with is 50-50. Okay, this is how to measure 50-50. Both sides are equal. So after measuring it, the next thing I'm going to do is to make few pleats at this front here. So after forming the pleats, the next thing I'm going to do is to cross it at the back. So I'm going to be crossing it at the back now. I want to cover the back, but if you want the back to be open, this is the point you're going to open it up. So after crossing it now, I'm taking the remaining to the front, then work with one side of the 50 first, open it up and fold in some inches, take it up. I'm going to form another pleat here. I'll form pleat until I'm done with all the fabric. So I'll continue to form the pleats with all the fabric. Okay, so as you're watching this, always practice so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. Okay, and also help me to share this video out, let others also learn how to tie their head wrap by themselves. So once I'm done forming the splits, the next thing I'm going to do is to use rubber band to replace my hand here. There is nobody there to hold it for you. Okay, so you just have to learn how to do it by yourself. So once I'm done, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did in the other side. Open this up and work with the side closer to my ear, fold in some inches, begin to form the pleat. I'm going to form the pleat with all the remaining fabric now. Okay, so the same thing I did in the other side, that is what I'm going to do here, or I am doing here. So once I'm done forming that split, you will see the next thing I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm done with the pleat now. Is to arrange it. So after arranging it, now that rubber band I used in the other side, I'm going to fix this one into. Okay, so I'm going to use it to hold both of them. Okay, so see what I'm doing. I'll use it to hold this other side to the same rubber band, and as I'm holding it, I will make sure that it is very tight. Okay, so it won't disappoint me on the way. So I'm done. I'm going to tie it again, make sure it is very tight. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will open this remaining up, begin to pleat down. I will pleat until I'm done with the fabric, then I will begin to roll in inwardly. Okay, roll it to the end. After rolling it, the next thing is to secure with a pin. Okay, I will secure it very well. So once I'm done now, this other side too, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Pleat it down and roll it inwardly, roll to the end and secure with a pin. Okay, so once I'm done securing now, the next thing is to arrange it. So after arranging it now, this rubber band, to cover it, I'm going to use a brooch to cover this rubber band. Okay, so I'm arranging it now. I'll use my brooch, I'll arrange the back, then I'll use the brooch to cover this rubber band. Okay, so once I cover it, that is the end. You can see the end product of it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.